Hello, everyone. Welcome to another assessment for CAA students. We are still on diagnostics, and for this week, for this, for today, we're going to be um, reviewing or mastering diagnosis according to the 12 regular channels. So we are now on our eighth week. Hello, everyone. So let's start the ball rolling with Mom Tricks of Sampaloc, Manila. Good afternoon, Ma'am Trick.
Good afternoon, Doc.
Ano nangyari
Good
dito?
afternoon, everyone.
Yeah. Can you see the slides? No?
No,
Sorry. Oh, come. Ganyan, can you see it na?
there.
Yan
Okay.
na po.
So,
Mm,
yeah, sorry about that. Medyo nagkaroon na ng
Okay.
konting adjustments. I'm sure all of you are excited, so we hope to be able to finish this in less than an hour. Okay. First, we know that there are 12 regular channels. And so now our task is for the first few questions, we are going to ascertain the symptoms and signs for the lung primary channel. What are they, Mom Tricks?
There will be cough, asthmatic breathing, hemoptysis, congested and sore throat, a sensation fullness in the chest, pain in the supraclavicular fossa, shoulder, back, and anterior border of the medial aspect of the arm.
Okay, we shall be discussing this in more detail. I'm talking about the pathway of the lung primary channel in our next module, no? Okay, so the first thing, the symptoms that were mentioned do not necessarily have to be present, all of them, no? And if you notice, if you're going to talk about the channel, um, you need to have symptoms attributed to the location, according to the location, okay? Like the pain in the supraclavicular fossa, the shoulder, sometimes it would go to the back, and the medial aspect of the arm, no? Yeah. So next is, what about the large intestine primary channel? What are the signs and symptoms?
The sign and symptoms would be epistaxis, watery nasal discharge, toothache, congested and sore throat, pain in the neck, anterior part of the shoulder and anterior border of the lateral aspect of the upper limb, borborygmus, abdominal pain, diarrhea, and dysentery.
Okay, obviously, when we talk about the large intestine channel, um, initially we would also be looking for diarrhea, diba? Abdominal pain. However, because it doesn't happen in all cases, so we look for symptoms like or signs like epistaxis because of this, no? It crossover siya. Stomach primary channel, signs and symptoms.
The stomach primary signs and symptoms would be borborygmus, abdominal distension, edema, epigastric pain, vomiting, hunger, epistaxis, deviation of the mouth,
Okay.
congested and sore throat, pain, pain in the chest, abdomen, and lateral side of lower limb, fever, and mania.
Okay. If it's the primary channel, we would like of the stomach, then we would always be looking for epigastric pain first and foremost, na, diba? Vomiting. However, you can also expect symptoms like sore throat because of the throat is being traversed by the primary channel, diba? Next, spleen, primary channel signs and symptoms.
Belching, vomiting, epigastric pain, abdominal distension, loose stools, jaundice, heaviness of the body, lassitude, stiffness at the root of the tongue, swelling and coldness in the medial aspect of the thigh and knee.
Okay, for the spleen, we all know that we always look for loose stools, di ba? And if there is dampness already, we would be looking for heaviness of the body. Some of you may be wondering, why is it that we have belching and vomiting here? Because the stomach and the spleen, they always work together. If something's wrong with the spleen, obviously there's also something wrong with the stomach. Next, heart, primary channel, signs and symptoms.
There would be cardiac pain, palpitations, hypochondriac pain, insomnia, night sweating, dryness of the throat, thirst, pain in the medial aspect of the upper arm, and heat sensations in the palm.
Okay, as you can see here, there should be palpitations, no? Cardiac pain, not all the time. Okay. And of course, where the area traversed by the heart channel, heat sensations in the palm
Mm.
here. Okay. So sometimes the patient would just ask, I have some hot sensation, heat sensation in my palm, but there's no palpitation. So this is where you try to complement um, tongue diagnosis or even pulse. Next, small intestine, primary channel signs and symptoms.
Deafness, yellow sclera, sore throat, swelling of the cheeks, distension and pain in the lower abdomen, and pain in the posterior border of the lateral aspect of the shoulder and arm.
Okay. For the small intestine, this is the young partner of the heart. So the first thing that you will have to look for would be anything that pertains, there should be pain. There should be pain. No? So pain on the lateral
Mm.
aspect of the shoulder and arm, deafness because um, one of there's a connection to the ear. Okay. Next, bladder, primary channel signs and symptoms.
Retention of urine, enuresis, manic and depressive mental disorders, malaria, pain of the eyes, lacrimation when exposed to wind, nasal obstruction, epistaxis, headache and pain in the nape, back, low back, buttocks, and posterior aspect of the lower limbs.
Okay. Um, what do you think is the first symptom that you have to look for in a bladder primary channel? In the bladder,
Enuresis.
okay, aneurysm, because this is something to do with urine urine discharge. Because if there is retention of urine or enuresis, then there is probably something wrong with the kidney, which is actually the one that controls everything. Okay. And also, some of you might be wondering, why do we have lacrimation when exposed to wind? Mainly because bladder one, two, yeah, three,
Yes.
it's on the where the lacrimal apparatus is located. No? Next, we go to the kidney primary channel signs and symptoms.
Enuresis, frequent urination, nocturnal emission, impotence, irregular menstruation, asthmatic breathing, dryness of the tongue, congested and sore throat, edema, pain in the lumbar region, and in the posterior medial aspect of the thigh, weakness of the lower limbs, and heat sensation in the soles.
Okay. Did you ever really encounter patients who would complain of heat sensation in the soles, no? They would always complain. So that's definitely kidney. Next, number 9. Pericardium
Um,
primary channel signs and symptoms.
Cardiac pain, palpitations, mental restlessness, stiffness in the neck, chest, flushed face, swelling in the axilla, depressive and manic mental disorders, spasms of the upper limbs, and heat, sensations in the palms, stiff neck.
Okay, how does this differentiate? How are you going to distinguish between a heart and primary involved and heart and pericardium involvement? Heart primary channel in contrast to pericardium primary channel.
Because
So
of the manipulator and
yes, the
mental
mental symptoms. Okay,
symptoms.
the mental symptoms. Actually, the pericardium, it is the one that surrounds the heart, right? So it's supposed to be the soldier guarding the heart. So before the heart gets affected, then the pericardium will have to bear the brunt of the emotions. Number 10, Sanjiao or triple heater primary channel signs and symptoms.
Abdominal distension, edema, enuresis, dysuria, deafness and tinnitus, pain in the outer canthus, swelling of the cheeks, congested and sore throat, and pain in the shoulder and lateral aspect of the arm and elbow.
So which do you think is the most important symptom here that will immediately tell you that there must be an issue with the Sanjiao? Could be
Uh,
edema, right? And
pain,
also deafness and tinnitus
mm,
always go together.
dysuria.
Um, if you treat issues, urinary issues, aside from, but we usually treat because if you have a kidney issue, it's always chronic. That's why we use the Bakshu of the kidney, which is bladder 23. Do not forget to needle bladder 22, which is the Bakshu of the Sanjiao or triple heater. Okay. So this is like the one that regulates the irrigation process. Okay. That's why you have issues of
Mm.
like edema and enuresis. And the tinnitus and deafness here will have something to do with the channel involvement, the areas traversed by the channel. Now let's go to gallbladder, primary channel, signs and symptoms.
Headache, pain in the outer canthus, pain in the jaw, blurring of vision, bitter taste in the mouth, swelling and pain in the supraclavicular fossa, pain in the axilla, and pain along the lateral aspect of the chest, hypochondrium, high and lower limbs. Thigh, sorry, thigh and lower limbs.
Yeah, so we already know that gallbladder is the young partner of the liver, right? And if you agree with me, bitter taste in the mouth when you ask the patient is very, very significant, right? So I have a
Yes.
question. Um, how will you differentiate the bitter taste in the mouth in a patient with gallbladder primary channel involvement from bitter taste in the mouth of somebody with heart primary channel involvement? So
See.
when you talk about the
Mm,
gallbladder, is it like the whole day? Um, or does it only happen at, okay,
mm,
the bitter taste occurs the
it's
whole
a full
time,
day.
the whole day. Whereas in heart
The
primary,
heart is the knife.
only when you lack sleep, only when you had insomnia the night before, then you will have bitter taste upon waking up. And you don't have it like the whole day or every day. No? So that is something that you have to ask the patient. And of course, you have to look at the tongue, feel the pulse, and ask more relevant questions. The kind of questions that you will ask will actually determine how good you are as a diagnostician. Okay? It really makes a lot of difference. And less is more, especially when
Yes.
you do needling of the ear. Just needle,
Less.
I've seen some practitioners put a lot of needles on the ear. Sometimes sabi ko, Wow. Unless you are doing something for tonifying or stretching the face, no. But there is always a possibility that you will either overstimulate the patient or over sedate the patient. And try to be that kind of doctor where he just prescribes a few meds rather than giving a lot of meds for the symptoms. Okay, so this is not about needling according to symptom. Uh, it's more than that, no? You have to look at the big picture. That is why you need to be very familiar with all these signs and symptoms. The signs and symptoms here do not actually have to be present, all of them. Next, we go to the liver main uh, or primary channel
Nice.
signs and symptoms.
There will be low back pain, fullness in the chest, pain in the lower abdomen, hernia, temporal headaches, dryness of the throat and hiccups, enuresis, dysuria, and mental disturbance.
Okay, what do you think is the okay? If you notice, there's low back pain, and we always um, think of the kidney in low back pain, right? But always remember that the kidney and the liver, they have a mutual relationship. They help each other. Okay, so if you have low back pain, this means that it's not only the liver that is involved. It will also involve the kidney, especially when you're not that young anymore. Okay, that's why you also have dysuria here. Do you notice? No, the temporal headaches.
Yes.
These are have some.
That's why when a woman has their periods, ano,
Yes,
um, they have lower back pain.
they have lower back pain. Sometimes they lose their mind. The mental disturbances. Why do you think? Because the pericardium and the liver, they belong to the
Yeah.
Jue Yin, right? The
Mood
terminal
swings.
mood swing.
Oo, mood swing.
It's called terminal yin. Kokonti na lang yung yin na iwan. So they tend to be like, you know, especially with the weather now, di ba? Mainitin ang ulo. Buti na lang may isa dyan na ano, gym pa rin ng gym. Mukhang medyo matare, pero I think controlled naman yung kanyang emotions. I didn't say it was you, Madam Emma. Okay, number 13. 13. Okay. This time you will have to tell
Um,
us what is the pattern and what is the channel involved. By the
Chan.
way, in this time, because it's so boring if you just talk about the main channel, no? Para wala ka ng effort. We've been studying that ever since. So we will also have to include the luo connecting, both full and empty. We will also include the muscle or sinew channel. So muscle or sinew channel is the same. Wag na yung divergent. Medyo parang nakaka-nosebleed na. Okay? Okay, mom tricks. What channel is involved here and what, yeah.
For fever, aversion to cold, feeling of oppression of the chest, pain in the clavicle, shoulder, and arm, cough, asthmatic breathing, hemoptysis, congestion, sparkle, sensation of fullness in the chest. It's a long main channel.
Okay. You just don't answer lung channel. That's only for those who didn't study with us. So, kailangan you have to be specific. Okay? Oo. So, yung mga nag-auriculo dyan, standby
Long.
lang muna ha. Makabalan sila akin ng bait. For the auriculo, by the way, tomorrow I'm excited because for the first time, we're going to be doing the real ear diagnostics. And I hope you started answering the questions already. There are only 50, no? Yun. And then we will have the tongue as well. And don't forget on Wednesday, we will have stroke. Diba? And congratulations, there were a lot of people who watched. Oh, thank you pala sa headache. Okay, so I think
Last
that style really works, no? Rather than giving you all the basics and everything, sometimes they don't remember 90% of what you have lectured. So this time I forgot a lot. Like I hope somebody will have the time to tabulate all You know, diba? Ang daming patterns nun, diba? Then the points.
Mm.
Okay. There. Next. You have a patient who is
Uh,
yawning, frequent urination, shortness of breath.
long low connecting channel.
Is it empty or full?
Sorry, it's empty.
Yeah,
Empty.
because of the shortness. So may kulang-kulang talaga yan. At saka when we say parate, no? Yawning. Okay. Can anybody relate here? Now, I have to show you this one so that you will understand why this is so, no? So from lung 7, the low connecting channel will travel to the palm and the thinner eminence. Question, bakit siya mayroong frequent urination?
Uh, the kidney is, ano ba? The lung is not ascending.
Okay, if the lung if the lung luo connecting is weak, weak siya dito, weak. So we expect also
Yeah.
the luo connecting of the kidney to be weak. Okay? Kaya may frequent urination. Remember, the lung is the mother of the kidney, right? What about yawning?
Yawning.
Yawning. Has it something?
Uh,
Yeah, kulang sa tuang.
sa,
Not
kulang
sure.
sa breath, sa
Yeah,
oxygen.
oxygenation. Diba?
Oxygen.
Kailangan huminga na malalim. Hot palms. Oh, this time, hot siya ha. Excess siya. So the question is, what will be your diagnosis?
Uh, it's a long luo connecting channel in full pattern.
Diba you
In
will also
full.
have hot palms? Ay, sorry. How do you
No.
differentiate pala this one from the heart primary channel?
The
Diba?
hot palms,
Yung isa, sensation lang, diba? This one is really hot.
Mm.
Yeah,
Mm.
really hot. Hmm? Diyan yan eh, oh. Do you remember kanina? Oo, di ba? Ang haba.
Oh.
Okay, now you know. So that's good for
Sir,
exam.
Doc, yung hot palms niya, it's full day. Or,
Tingnan niyo mabuti. Let's go back. We have to remember this many. They may seem insignificant, but here, oh, heat sensation in the palm, the heart. Okay? Primary channel.
um,
Mm. So ito, ha talaga yung sensation lang. So the patient will come to you,
mm-mm.
ano,
Mm.
when you feel the palm, it's not hot.
Mm,
Ito hot siya. So pag hot siya,
Hindi siya sa
it's,
kasi
tenor.
maybe Doc, siguro kasi yung heart channel po kasi nandun lang siya sa parang lateral aspect, hindi katulad nung ano sa lung po kasi hanggang doon siya sa tenor eminence nagfo-flow. So malaki yung pag full siya, mas mararamdaman mo ng husto yung init kasi mas malaki yung tenor eminence compare mo doon sa side ng channel ng heart.
at saka ano siya, super connecting siya eh. Connecting siya.
Mm-mm.
Yun. So
Connect, diba?
nag
Nag-network.
nag-connect ako.
Now you,
Meron siyang dudugtungan na ibang channel.
so now meron na
Yun.
tayong clue, ha? I hope this can stick.
Apo.
This will stick to our, ano. There are patients who are like that. Sometimes you just need to ask, and they will love you for it. Next. Next. Mom tricks.
Um, for pain, contraction, and strain of muscles along course of channel, and pain and contraction of muscles of chest and shoulder, pain in supraclavicular fossa, shoulder, back and anterior border of the medial aspect of arm is a lung muscle channel.
Yeah. This is also called the lung sinew channel. Okay, this is how it goes. So the patient will come in with muscle pain. Hmm? Kita mo, ay, it's syempre, muscle channel. Diba? Muscle channel siya. And there's contraction, no? Hmm. Then, including the chest and shoulder, pain in the supraclavicular fossa, back and anterior border of the middle aspect of the arm. Okay? Easy. The lung sinew or the lung muscle channel. Next. What's your answer here? Answer ka agad.
Um, Ayan. Large intestine main channel.
Easy. Number 18. Or remember, loss of sense of smell. Take note,
It's a large,
ngayon pa
large
lang,
intestine wall.
ngayon pa lang, you already know what is the impact of a connecting channel. So that means there is a point on this channel that will impact or affect ano ba tawag dito? The partner, no? The interiorly, exteriorly related channel, which is the lung, right? Okay. So when you have
Mhm.
loss of sense of smell, your answer first, Madam Trix.
Large intestine luo connecting
Okay.
channel.
And is it empty or full?
Empty.
Yes. See? From LI6, the luo connecting will travel to the jaw, teeth, and ear. Dito siya, oh.
Mhm.
Dito.
Any sensation of cold in the face.
Yes. Wala siyang sense of smell. So if a patient, oh, okay, baka COVID nga, no? Pero, or baka mutated variant, mutant.
Mhm.
Pero, now we know. This is probably how the virus work, right?
Mhm.
It has affected
Mhm.
the luo connecting channel of the
Mhm.
LI,
Mhm.
and it's empty. Kaya
Mhm.
nawala yung sense of smell. Any comment, Madam M? Makakabahan naman tayo sa tanong mo.
Yes. Hindi po, yes. Gusto ko po lang pong i-clarify na yung pinag-uusapan natin ay tungkol sa channels. Hindi po tayo doon sa organs.
Yes.
Kasi iba po yung symptoms ng sa organs, iba po yung sa channels.
Oo.
Yun.
Pero ganito yon.
Baka-
Kahit, ibig sabihin, like, of course, before the virus interiorizes, pumasok sa interior, dadaan mo na sa channel.
Sa channels, yes.
Kaya nga we
So,
wore masks.
opo.
Remember?
Kaya po yung pong sa channels, kung ano pa yung madaanan niya, mo-overlap or ma-connect na
Yes.
other channels, magkakaroon ng symptoms from that doon sa
Yeah.
mismong channel area affecting the
Yeah, very good.
as superficial part of organ. Pero pagka pumasok na siya, saka pa lang siya magkakaroon ng signs and symptoms ng organ related
Yes, interior.
patterns.
Mm-mm.
Mm.
Galing. Okay. Next. Ma'am Chris.
It's a large intestine luo connecting channel in full
Yeah,
pattern.
because of the sensation of heat. Mainit. Ano nangyari? Sensation of heat in the center of the chest and diaphragm. Ito oh.
Kasi po dadaan po muna kasi siya sa chest bago siya dumaan since this is, ano ba 'to, lung,
Mm-mm.
yung kanyang channels ay magsisimula muna sa gitna, sa stomach pataas bago po siya dadaan sa arms. So, kaya meron since madadaanan din yung mouth
Mm.
bago makarating doon sa lateral side, yun,
Kasi ang
siya,
pinag-uusapan dito
ah,
actually, si lungs na naapektuhan ni Luo
mm,
Connecting Channel ni LI. Ang galing niya.
opo,
Oh.
opo. nag-ano kasi nagdugtong na sila doon or
I'm sure
nag-overlap
memorize ko
sila.
pati yung mga ano niya, yung pathway. Diba?
Hindi pa, Dok.
Ay, hindi pa.
Ninanamnam ko pa yung principles muna para madali nating
Yes.
matandaan kung saan ito.
At saka ano, you will only get to memorize this if you really encounter actual cases, no?
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
Yes, Dok.
Yes.
So kaya nga mabuti nga ano ay sorry ha, but we need to have cases, we need to have experience. Kasi mo panahon.
Yes, Dok.
Mm-mm.
Yes, Dok.
So ngayon, pero actually nakaka-stress to ha. This is diagnosis according to
Uh-huh.
the 12 regular channels. Pero
Uh-huh.
I think the most popular or the easiest would still be the eight principles and the Zhangfu, right? Mm.
Yes, Dok.
Ito parang
Yes,
wow.
Dok.
But anyway, good to know lang to. Okay, Ma'am,
Mm.
Matrix, your answer here. Hmm. Yan naman.
Large intestine muscle channel.
Yes, there. Next, number 21. What is your answer here? Take note, meron siyang
Stomach main.
epigastric pain, vomiting, hunger.
Stomach main channel.
Yes. And what about this?
Stomach luo connecting channel. Empty pattern.
Okay. Why did we have flaccidity or atrophy of the leg muscles?
Uh,
Alam mo yan, because of kasi connecting yan eh. When you use a stomach low connecting, you're actually affecting the spleen.
Testing.
Yes.
Yan.
Now you know na ano talaga sila,
Mm.
really related. But my next question is, bakit
Sila
empty?
soulmate.
Of course, empty kasi
Mm.
atrophy. O yan. Diba? Para, ay, kaya pala. Ay, wag nang akin na lang. Okay. Kaya pala nanghihina yung aking ano. Because of a dampness. Okay. Sige, I should need stomach cord. I will not say anything because ano, maraming mga marites dyan. Okay, number 23. Next.
It's a stomach luo connecting channel and full
Why?
pattern.
Full. Why?
It's the atrophy and weakness in lower legs. Tsaka manic mental.
Manic mental. Mm-mm. Diba? Dahil may phlegm na, no? May phlegm na
Man,
siya. See now, you see?
low.
Next. What about this?
Stomach muscle channel.
Yes, because
Mhm.
number one symptom pa lang, o di ba? Kayo na lang yan ha. And you need to memorize this, which we're going to actually deal with this in the next module. So I was like thinking of 15 to 20 weeks of that, no? Kasi parang sabi ko, parang kulang yata. Kasi we need to do pa the extraordinary vessels, which is really discussed if at all by other people. Next, what do you call this pattern, madam?
Great luo connecting channel of spleen.
Number one. And this
Spleen.
one,
Spleen main channel.
yes. Yeah. Loose stools, jaundice. Vaginal discharge is very damp, right? Cold feeling, yang deficiency. Number 27, abdominal distension.
Spleen luo connecting channel and an empty pattern.
Okay, this one. There is pain. Kanina wala
Spleen
pain.
luo.
Yes, full. And up
Full.
number 29. Andyan na naman si muscle. So when it's a muscular involvement, all you have to do is try to remember. Siguro, nag-overlap siya, no, with the primary channel, di ba? So, ibig sabihin, this,
And all limbs eh. It's all limb,
Yes, limbs. What's your
diba?
answer here?
So, spleen siya. Spleen muscle.
Kasi nag-a-arise po siya sa spleen 4, nasa legs yun eh.
Mm.
Tapos
Oo.
akyat siya sa stomach at saka intestines.
Yes.
Affected po talaga yung mga.
Okay. 30. What's your answer here? Pain all over the body, weakness and flaccidity of joints of forelimbs, backache radiating to the abdomen.
Great luo connecting channel of the spleen.
Okay. 31. Ano to? May palpitations. Inner side
Heart
of the heart.
main channel.
Okay.
Heart main.
Aphasia.
Aphasia is heart luo connecting channel empty pattern.
Feeling of distension, fullness of the chest and diaphragm.
Heart luo connecting channel full pattern.
Pain, stiffness, and sprain of muscles na naman. Ay, kaya pala, no? Wala, parang sana naman hindi maulit. Okay. Okay.
Heart
Ba
muscle
dyan, ba
channel.
dyan hindi kumikibo? Nakaka-relate yan. Sige kayo. Kung ayaw nyo mag-comment. Sana yung
So, Dok, lahat siguro ng may, so may lahat ng mga symptoms na may related sa muscles. So, siguro i-differentiate lang siya dun sa ibang symptoms. Pero pag ganyan siguro, Dok, siguro, yung muscle connecting,
Puro
ano,
channel. Puro,
puro
puro
channel
sa
na,
labas.
muscle
And
channel. Pwede bang
Puro
sabihin na
labas.
gano'n, Dok?
opo.
Na gano'n.
Mm.
Ang galing. Talagang pumasok na sa
Mm.
utak nila. Okay. Next, Madam
Diba?
Cakes.
a small intestine main channel.
Yes. Oh, pain along lateral side of arm and scapula. Next, scabies. Hi, scabies. Long finger-shaped warts.
Small intestine luo connecting empty.
Yeah, that's
Oh.
why you should know how to remove the warts using acupuncture. And I'm sure na memorize ni Ma'am Tricks. Okay, next, what's your answer here?
Small intestine luo connecting channel full
Yes.
pattern.
Ito, muscle na naman. Little fingers, arm and elbow, sprain. Diba? It's the muscle.
Small intestine muscle.
Yes.
Small intestine.
What's your answer here?
Bladder main
Yeah, retention of
channel.
urine. Good. Runny nose, nosebleed, tumatakbo ang ilong.
Empty. Bladder luo connecting empty pattern.
Okay. Bakit kaya? Yeah. Okay, runny nose. Empty.
Nose.
Stuffy nose. Ito ano, barado. Barado siya. You can
Bladder luo connecting in full.
pull. Next, muscle na naman.
Bladder muscle.
Okay. What about this? What's your answer here? Impotence, nocturnal emission.
Kidney main channel.
Okay. Lower backache.
Kidney luo connecting empty.
So it's actually the bladder, no? Pero kidney siya. Next, yet ito.
Kidney luo connecting channel in full
Okay.
pattern.
Next, may muscle na naman. Muscle ng toes, foot, and inner aspect. Memorize ito ni Doc She of Palawan.
Kidney muscle channel.
Yes. Next. Take note. Mental restlessness and palpitation.
Pericardium main channel.
Yes. Stiffness of the head. Ay,
Um, Pericardium luo connecting channel empty pattern.
Mhm. So this is something to do with SJ, no? Next, pain in the heart region, mental
Mm.
restlessness.
Pericardium luo connecting channel in full pattern.
Okay. And finally, muscles again.
Sanjiao main
Eye spasm of
mas.
upper limbs. Okay.
Sanjiao main channel.
Yes. No, pericardium. Pericardium pa.
Wait. Yeah.
Nakata.
Sorry.
Pericardium.
51 pala yun.
Thank you so much,
51
Madam
pala.
Trix. Did you have fun?
Thank you, Doc.
O, parang ito yata ang gusto mong gagawin pong diagnosis, no? Actually, nakaka-stress siya. Okay. Thank you so much. Let's now go to Pasig this time na nasa third floor. Okay, nasa balcony. Okay.
Fifth floor lang po.
Okay. Let's listen to Madam M.
Okay po.
Okay. Answer here.
51.
51.
Pain
Ayan.
discharge from the
51. My answer is triple burner main channel sign and symptoms.
wow. Kompleto. Okay. Loosening of elbow joint. Wala, naglulusin.
Mm. Ayan na. Triple burner dual connecting channel empty condition.
Bakit ka siya naging empty? Pericardium. Okay. Yung dito nga, oo. Okay. Naglulusin.
Mamaya,
Okay.
lilinawin
So,
natin.
nagko-contract naman. Ito na lang nag-contract. Naglulusin, baka matanggal. What's your answer here?
Ano po? Triple burner dual connecting channel full condition.
Very good. Next. Oh, muscle. Oh, there's no muscle.
Ano?
Sprain.
Triple
Sprain involves
sprain po pa kasi
the
at saka
ligament.
stiffness of wrist. Ligaments, opo. Triple burner muscle channel signs and symptoms.
Yes. And this one, remember, hanapin natin yung favorite ni Madam Trix, Madam T.
Yan.
Alternating cheek.
Gallbladder,
Yeah.
ayan siya. So 55 is gallbladder primary channel signs and symptoms.
Yes. Next. What's this?
It's the gallbladder luo connecting channel empty condition.
Difficulty in standing. Yeah. And this one,
Oh, opo. Ayun. It's gallbladder luo connecting channel full condition.
right. And this one, difficulty in
50.
bending
It's
knee. Ay,
gallbladder muscles channel signs and symptoms.
yung iba kaya, hindi nakaka-relate. Hindi na mabend yung knees.
Ay, hindi pa po. Hindi pa po.
Next.
Perfect ako mag-squats.
Wow.
Ay, wow, ibang classes pa.
Oo. 35 kilograms pa.
Oh my God.
Bar. Yan.
Grabe.
Liver primary channel signs and symptoms.
Yes. And this, itching of genital area. That impotence.
Oh. Ayun. Ito po yung liver luo connecting channel empty condition. This happens kasi it arises from liver 5 tapos flows to the external genitalia. Kaya affected.
Ikaw pala naging ng Rivali na nakakatakot.
Hindi.
Swelling and pain of that. You see, pag may pain, it's definitely not empty. Abnormal erection. Okay.
Ernie.
Okay.
61. Ano po siya? Ayun. Liver connecting, luo connecting channel, full condition.
Okay, great. Yeah, these are muscles of the big toe. Oh,
liver muscle channel signs and symptoms.
may na-meet ka na ba na patient na may priapism?
Ay, wala
Google
pa po.
parati.
Wala pa po.
Wala.
Ano
Magkakaroon ka
po
ng
man?
patient. I have a feeling you will meet one. Okay. And you would know what to do. Liver
Malamang kasi
muscle.
matatanda na tong mga nyakal dito.
Okay. Hantayin is what channel?
It's the lung channel.
Lung time.
It's 3 a.m. to 5 a.m.
Stand out lung pathologies. Yung ano lang.
Cough, Apo. Yung pinaka-common po yung cough, asthmatic breathing, pain in the anterior border of the medial aspect of the arm.
Okay. Chest fullness. Han Yang Ming, what channel?
Large intestine channel.
LI, yeah. LI time.
5 to 7 a.m.
Okay. Ano dapat mangyari dito? 5 to 7 a.m.
Ano yan? Time for elimination encourages
Yeah.
bowel movement.
Kailangan na-eba ka na rito, no?
Mm.
Number,
Yes.
stand out LI pathologies.
Toothache, pain in the anterior border of the lateral aspect of the upper limb, diarrhea, and dysentery.
Okay. Toothache. Foot tie-in.
Toothache. It's the spleen channel.
Spleen time.
9 to 11 a.m.
So when is the best time to treat someone with spleen deficiency?
Yeah, 9 to 11 a.m.
Okay. Stand out spleen pathologies.
Belching, jaundice, stiffness, and pain in the roots of the tongue.
Okay. Low appetite yan, Han. Yan, low appetite. Han Xiaoyin.
Opo. French heart channel.
Heart
Appetite
time.
doc pag French.
Ay, ano po?
French
Grabe
daw
na.
yung
Appetite
Madugo ito.
po pagka French.
O di ba sa the Netherlands? Ano ba sa Netherlands? French ba yun?
Iba ata.
Half
Hindi
of the
French.
Netherlands.
The,
Yung iba.
sa,
May certain part
di ba
na
galing
French.
ka doon?
Halo po.
Ganon.
Hindi po. Hindi po.
Ano yung other half nila?
Kasi,
May pagka-Swiss.
Swiss pala. Kaya pala parang,
German.
ang galing
Sa
naman
German.
ang galing naman ng nagta-translate, no? Di ba, Doc She, ang galing nagta-translate, ang bilis. Ano yung pagkadinig lang niya, yun ang
Parang,
lalabas sa mga.
Google Translator.
pero parang AI na rin yung doc eh. Parang automatic translate.
AI yun.
Ay, oo,
AI yun.
ayun. Okay. Next, pathologies of a heart channel.
Insomnia and thirst.
Tanungin natin si Doc She. Di ba ang dami mong pasyente may anxiety? Ano ka agad ang nasa utak mo, Doc She? Anong
Heart talaga, heart problem talaga.
Nakawakan mo rin ba yung palm niya?
Heart balance.
Hmm. Sensation of heat. Next, Han Taiyang.
Small intestine channel.
Small intestine time.
It's 1 to 3 p.m.
Okay, what's supposed to happen here? Yung kinain mo,
We focus focus on the nutrients absorption, so ideal for light meal, so merienda time.
So, paano yan? Di ba 11 a.m. ka nagigising? Ay, nasabi ko.
Ayun, na-adjust.
Adjust.
Adjust lang.
Na-adjust. Opo, na-adjust.
Inayos.
Kaya dito ko nakita, Doc, yung kapag ka irregular yung ano mo,
Hmm.
irregular yung eating habits,
Oo.
nagkakaroon ng pathology kasi nasisira yung mismong kanyang sequence ng
Oh,
pattern. Halimbawa, ay talagang sinusunod natin, kailangan 7 to 9 naka-breakfast ka na.
mm,
Kasi may certain time, may certain sequence siya na sinusunod. So ngayon,
mm.
kung i-adjust mo yon, imbis na nag 9 o'clock, nag 12 ka, dapat puro 12 na lang din para meron siyang sariling sequence din. Ganun
Oo.
siya.
Kailangan
Manadi-disturb
masanay.
ka.
Hindi pwede yung
Opo.
palipat-lipat, no?
Mm.
Hindi
No?
pwede. Kaya nga, yun yung nakita kong, kasi may mga nabasa ko diyan na kapag ka kumain ka ng madaling araw, paggising mo ng maga, gutom ka lalo.
Hmm,
Mm.
okay.
Mm, ganun siya.
Pero pag nasanay
So
yung
yun.
system mo, kung anong, let's say, mga
Mm,
2 a.m. ka kumakain, dapat
opo.
araw-arawin mo na siya.
Mm.
Opo,
Mm.
ganun po. Ganun po yung ina-advise nung
Sige,
lahat ng
basta na lang,
reference na
kaya
meron tayo.
na-confuse na yung ano mo. Okay.
Opo, para hindi ko na-confuse yung sequence niya.
Katulad mo, 1 p.m. breakfast, di ba?
Mm.
Oh,
Consistent na yun. Kahit hindi po masama yung intermittent fasting kung
Mm.
same time na
The
parati
same
na
time.
oy,
ginagawa. Oo,
nakaschedule. Oo.
naka-schedule.
Mm.
Basta masanay ka. Oo nga, no? Makes sense. Now we know. That's what
Mm.
we call irregular eating. Walang oras, no?
Opo.
Okay, let's go to stand out. SI pathologies.
Yes, pathology. Yellow sclera, pain in the posterior border of the lateral aspect of the shoulder and arm.
Okay. Foot Yang Ming.
Stomach channel,
Stomach time.
7 to 9 a.m.
Okay. Stand out. Stomach pathologies.
Hunger, deviation of the mouth,
Ano pa? Nausea,
oh,
vomiting. Diba?
nausea,
Reflux.
vomiting,
Swollen gums.
reflux.
Bleeding gums. I had that before. Toothache.
Oh,
Next. Foot Taiyang.
bladder channel po,
Bladder time.
3 to 5 p.m.
Ano dapat gawin pag 3 p.m. to 5 p.m.? Pwede na ba tayong mag-soup na medyo maalat-alang?
Hindi po, kaya ihi time, wiwi
Ah,
time yan.
pwede ka mag-hydrate.
Mag-hydrate, opo.
Stand out, bladder pathologies.
Retention of urine, malaria, neurosis, back, neck pain, and eye problems.
Okay. Foot Shaoyin.
That's the kidney channel po,
Kidney time.
5 to 7 p.m.
So dapat nasa bahay ka na by 5 pag mahina ang kidney, no?
Opo.
So kung nasa traffic ka,
Ah,
di pag uwi mo ng bahay, nakalbo ka na.
opo, at saka dyan po yung time na hindi na pwedeng kumain.
Ay, 5 p.m. Okay.
Mm.
Opo.
Yeah. Okay. Now it makes sense. So next,
Mhm.
kidney pathologies.
As impotence.
Ay, bakit mo inuna impotence? Importante talaga sa iyo ang...
Hindi, yun na talaga pag sinabi impotence, kidney agad yun eh.
Oo nga.
Yun,
Pero,
frequent. Yan,
eh,
urination, yan, infertility, dryness of tongue, sore throat.
so,
Ayan siya.
okay. It is really mandatory na wala siyang kidney pathology, especially impotence, no?
Mhm, mhm.
Food
Wala
juice,
pong iba.
food tray,
Liver channel, liver
liver.
channel, 1 to 3 a.m.
You should already be asleep at this time, no?
Yes po. Kasi po, dyan po yung time na nag-store ng blood si liver. Mm. Kaya pag kulang sa tulog, pagising ng maga, maputla.
Okay,
Mm.
talking
Mm.
about liver, 'di ba? It's may napanood ako kay Jessica Soho na ano, bata. Ewan ko napanood niyo ba yun? Um, mga 6 years old lang yata. Inatake siya for the first time. And then 8 hours siya,
Mm.
or 20, I think the whole day siya naka-cellphone, laro-laro.
Oh.
Tapos bigla na lang siyang nag-seizure, nag-ano,
Shock
Mm.
yun.
backward staring. Shock na.
Shock yun, radiation sa sa eyes. May case po na gano'n, yung sa mata po yung doc, yung pag merong tinatamaan ng radiation sa something sa mata. Nakalimutan ko yung tawag doon, yung tinatamaan sa loob ng mata. Tapos para siyang na short circuit, tapos yun, epilepsy, tapos ano na,
Connected
para
talaga
siyang
I
nasa,
get that.
sa liver
ah,
talaga siya, no? Wind na wind. Gagalaw-galaw mo.
opo.
Okay.
Opo,
Stand,
kasi ano pa rin, yung mga ganung po kasing bata, ang diet niyan laging junk food.
yes, and hindi liver
Mm.
friendly and kidney friendly.
Hindi po.
Okay, standout liver pathologies.
Hernia, vertical headache, yun, chest, hypochondriac pain, neurosis, dysuria, stress, hiccups, jaundice.
Okay. Food Shaoyang,
Gallbladder channel,
gallbladder time.
11 p.m. to 1 a.m.
If you're planning of, if you're making a major decision, when is the best time to decide?
Yun, ayun po, 11. Yan po kasi yung yung oras niya eh.
Oo.
Kung kailan siya active.
Di ka ba titingin ka muna sa ano?
Mali,
Ka muna sa moon?
yung one reason, ayun yan yung one reason why, kung bakit yung majority sa lahat ng may problema, hindi nakakatulog na sa gabi kasi pinag-iisipan nilang mabuti sa gabi.
Hmm.
11 to 1.
11 to 1, gising pa yan kasi may iniisip na
So,
problema. So, kung anong gagawin, ganun.
almost always you make the right decisions at this time. So if you make decisions na hindi ganitong time, that means erratic yung decision na yon.
Hmm.
It's
Tsaka
just
Dok, depende rin, Dok, kung malakas ba yung GB niya sa oras na yan eh. Hindi siya magkakamali. Kasi magpag, na siya, may insomnia na siya due to the gallbladder problem. So, magiging indecisive naman siya.
okay. Stand out gallbladder
Possibility.
pathologies.
Blurring of vision, bitter taste in the mouth. Hypochondriac pain, ear problems, dizziness, bitter taste.
Androgen,
That's the pericardium channel.
pericardium time.
7 to 9 p.m.
What are we supposed to be doing here? Labing
Ano
lang.
po?
Social.
Ah,
Relaxing.
hindi. Kailangan ka ay,
Ay,
ano
ano?
po yan, Dok? Sex time.
Yes. Ay, wow.
Sabi ko na yung sasabihin mo eh.
Dapat yung dinner mo, 5 p.m. Diba? 7
Mm-mm.
time, 7 p.m.
Mm.
So, paano
Kaya
yun?
nga, maganda mag-dinner ng kidney time. Kasi nga,
Early.
dapat before 6 tapos na kumain. Tapos, papahinga na si kidney mo para yung kidney essence mo ready. Tapos, pagka,
Or makinig ka
pericardium
na
time, yun na.
kung wala ka namang
Yun na.
partner. Emote,
Ayun
emote.
lang, meditation na lang po.
Okay. Stand out pericardium pathologies.
Ayun, mental restlessness, manic mental disorders. Yun. Palpitations, swelling in axilla, feverish palms, flushed faces, chest, or cardiac pain.
Han Xiaoyang,
Sanjiao Channel,
Sanjiao time.
9 to 11 p.m.
Okay, dito ba ibabalance mo na yung yung kaya nga tawag triple warmer, di ba? Dapat ibabalance mo na yung flow ng chi. Maganda na yung flow ng
Opo.
kasi minsan malamig yung kamay mo, malamig
Mm.
tapos yung tiyan mo init-init. So, kailangan i-balance mo na. So, that means you're preparing for sleep na dito, no?
Opo. Ayoko
Mm.
nang dagdagan.
Would you like to give a lecture on yung mga sound? Napanood niyo ba yun? Yung mga sound ng how to improve that. Parang bagay ka doon. Yung mga sumis...
Ay, opo. Pwede po. Kasi nagmamantra kasi ako eh. Pwede ako doon. Yung mga frequencies.
Mm-mm.
Frequency healing. I do that.
Oh, it helps, no?
Mm,
It helps.
it
Yes,
helps.
super helps. Pag nagme-meditate ako,
Mm,
naka-background music ko lang.
naka-background ka dapat.
Ah,
Para
40,
sumasabay yung frequency mo.
42 ba? 42 hertz. Yeah.
Mm, mm. Pero hindi ako nagbabinaural ha.
Uh, try
Mm.
natin, no?
Yung
Mm.
alpha state.
Yung
Mm.
alpha state, beta state, pag na-reach mo yung delta state, oh, luckiest person ka in the world.
Wow.
Wow.
Yan na ba yung
Yep.
Silva method?
Mm. Silva method.
Mm.
Kalimutan ko na ano yun eh. Basta alam ko ano eh. So, stand out.
Basta ano po, meditation lang po.
Yeah. Stand out, Sanjiao
Ah,
pathology.
yun, deafness sa tinnitus.
Edema.
Edema, difficult.
Okay. What are the three yin meridians of the hand? Napakasimple.
Yun, si lung, si heart, and pericardium.
Three yang meridians of the hand.
Si large intestine, small intestine, and Shanjiao.
Three yang meridians of the foot.
Si stomach, urinary bladder, and gallbladder.
And the three yin meridians of the foot.
Spleen, kidneys, and liver.
Okay. Thank you so much for joining. And Mercy Millefoy. O, di ba? Diyos ko,
With the four.
makakamali pa. Kung inano ko yung research ko talaga.
Jetta Mercy.
Kasi doon sa sa ICC, Mercy Buku. Parang tuloy ako.
Thanks a lot po yun.
Yes.
Tapos Jetta Mercy, yung
Dito naman
pinaka-formal ng You're Welcome.
Dito naman yung French. French
What?
from Hello, Sir Jobel.
Hello po,
Ayun.
Doc.
Okay.
Ganda po yung
Yeah. Magagaling kasi.
Good afternoon po.
Bukas, mas maganda pa rin. Okay. Thank you po.
Paganda nga po ng paganda eh. Nakita ko po yung
Ano?
yung sa pulse. Oh, wow. Ay, sa tank pala. Yung sa tank, mukhang magkakaroon tayo ng magaganda-gandang discussion doon, Doc.
Nakakatakot pag nandiyan ka. Ang daming...
Hindi. Hindi, Doc. Hindi po, kung ano lang po yung binasa ko, tapos sa hindi share ko lang.
Okay. So, thank you so much. We'll take a short break.
Apo.
Thank you po.